The future of home building in Southern California, challenges and opportunities. In the heart of Southern California, where dreams of home ownership are as diverse as its residents, the narrative of real estate development is undergoing a significant transformation. In 2023, as a local Santa Clarita based real estate agent who has been navigating the waves of the market since 1998, I've witnessed firsthand the shifts and tides of our local housing landscape. Today, I want to share some insights into why California might be facing an uphill battle in keeping homes affordable and available for everyone. Last year, we saw a noticeable dip in the number of new homes being constructed across California. The trend is not just a local anomaly, but a signal of a broader economic challenge that affects all of us here in Southern California. From luxury apartment complexes in iconic neighborhoods like Palms and Silver Lake to the sprawling single family homes that dot our suburbs, every segment of the market is feeling the pinch. Ken Kahan, a name synonymous with quality home building in Los Angeles, recently echoed a sentiment that many developers share. This financial equations that once made new projects available are no longer adding up. High costs for labor and materials, coupled with a spike in borrowing rates, have forced a reevaluation of what projects can move forward. Why this matters. For those of us in the real estate industry, these shifts are more than just numbers on a page. They represent families searching for a place to call home. Individuals dreaming of their first home purchase and communities wondering how they will accommodate their growing populations. When developers pull back, it's not just a pause in construction, it's a delay in dreams and opportunities for our residents. Despite these hurdles, there is a silver lining. Initial reports this year show a surge in permits for single family homes, a testament to the resilience in our industry and the enduring demand for housing in Southern California. Yet, as multifamily construction permits continue to decline, it's clear that our journey towards addressing the housing shortage is far from over. Los Angeles, a city that's always been the forefront of change, finds itself grappling with the new changes like Measure ULA. This tax, intended to support affordable housing, adds another layer of complexity for developers. The real estate market is notoriously tough to predict, but one thing is clear: the path to increasing our housing stock involves navigating both economic and regulatory hurdles. As I look ahead, I think the question on everyone's mind is what the future holds. With potential interest rate cuts and adjustment in land prices on the horizon, there's hope that more projects will become financially viable. Moreover, efforts by state lawmakers and local leaders to streamline the approval process for new homes are encouraging signs that we can overcome these challenges together. In conclusion, as we look to the future, one thing remains constant: the resilience and innovation of the Southern California real estate community. We may face obstacles, we may face other problems, but our fellow Californians and our faith is unwavering. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, invest in property, or simply stay informed about our local market, know I'm here to navigate these changes with you. I'm Connor with Honor. Your journey in real estate is unique, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Whether you're exploring homeownership for the first time or considering your next investment, let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Reach out to me and let me help you together where we can create a future where everyone has a place to call home. Please stay informed. Subscribe to the updates and latest news insights and recommendations from the Southern California real estate landscape. I do these shows every day, 7 days a week. Together, we can keep building the foundation of our dreams. For any kind of personal advice and insights into the Southern California real estate market, which I've been serving with honor and dedication since 1998, I'm here to help you navigate those complexities and help you on your real estate journey. Whenever you're ready, please reach out to me. I am Connor with Honor. I bid you good day. Over and out.